These are my broccoli. You see how it looking healthy? Look at that view. Beautiful, eh? Yeah, these are my broccoli. And we went to some weather, 20 degrees, and they stand up. So the broccoli, the cabbage, the kale, all these things last through the winter. You see all these cabbages folding. So soon I will be able to eat some cabbage. All these kale I've been picking from them constantly, and they still last through the winter. These are okras. You see, this is an okra tree, and this is the okra, the pod. So what I do, I leave them to dry, so now I have seed.